What if I told you that a new era of drone technology is on its way? We're about to witness a world where these machines are more than just a means of transport, but rather an awe-inspiring progress of technological advancement. In this video, we will take a look at the most promising drones that are currently in development. These drones represent the cutting edge of drone technology, and they offer a glimpse into the future of this exciting advancement. So, let's get started. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata is an innovative drone currently in development, offering a high-performance FPV flying experience with immersive features. Equipped with a built-in propeller guard for safety and a 1 to 1.7-inch CMOS sensor, it can capture 4K ultra-wide-angle video at 60 FPS. Additionally, the Avata supports motion control, enabling users to navigate using body movements. Key features of the DJI Avata include obstacle avoidance, a return-to-home (RTH) function, and the ability to record 4K ultra-wide-angle videos at high frame rates. Though not available for purchase yet, the drone is anticipated to hit the market soon, potentially revolutionizing the world of drone flying. Further details about the DJI Avata reveal its 550-gram weight and 370mm wingspan, granting a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge. With a maximum speed of 72 km per hour, the drone is also compatible with DJI goggles too. The DJI Avata is set to cater to both seasoned and novice drone pilots, offering an exhilarating FPV flying experience and the opportunity to capture breathtaking aerial footage. Matternet M4. The Matternet M4, an autonomous drone under development, is set to revolutionize medical supply deliveries to remote areas by its 2023 release. With a flight time of up to 25 miles and a payload capacity of 4.4 pounds, it can carry essential medical items like blood, vaccines, and medications. Equipped with various sensors, it navigates challenging environments safely and independently. Beyond medical use, the Matternet M4 could potentially deliver food and goods to remote locations. As drone technology advances, more innovative and capable drones like the Matternet M4 are anticipated to emerge. This promising drone's durable design and autonomous capabilities make it a promising solution for improving healthcare accessibility in hard-to-reach regions. PAL V Liberty. The PAL V Liberty is an innovative flying car currently in development with plans to be available for sale in 2023. Combining the features of a car and an auto gyro, the Liberty can effortlessly transition between road and air travel. On the road, it achieves a top speed of 160 km per hour or 100 miles per hour, and a range of 500 km or 310 miles. In the air, it reaches a top speed of 180 km per hour, that's 112 miles per hour, with the same impressive 500 km or 310 miles range. Importantly, the PAL V Liberty is not a drone. It requires a human pilot. Designed for ease of use, it can be operated with a regular driver's license, making personal flying more accessible to the public. Safety is a priority, evidenced by its built-in parachute and roll cage. This unique vehicle holds great potential to revolutionize transportation. By seamlessly blending driving and flying capabilities, the PAL V Liberty opens up exciting possibilities for efficient and flexible personal travel. While it is still in the development stage, its promising features and advancements in technology could mark a significant step forward in the realm of personal aerial transportation. Biomimetic drones. Biomimetic drones draw inspiration from the natural world, mimicking insects, birds, and animals in their flight patterns and structures. This unique design makes them more efficient and adept at maneuvering in challenging environments. While still in the early stages, these drones hold immense potential to revolutionize various industries. Their efficiency surpasses that of traditional drones, thanks to emulating the flight patterns of birds and insects. In tight spaces and forests, biomimetic drones showcase remarkable maneuverability, resembling their natural counterparts. Their lightweight construction ensures durability during flight stresses. These drones find applications in diverse fields, such as search and rescue, surveillance, and environmental monitoring. With the continuous advancement of this technology, we can anticipate a wider adoption and a greater range of tasks being performed by biomimetic drones. Examples like Metafly, taking inspiration from dragonflies, exhibit tight space capabilities, while Bionic Bird, imitating birds, showcases extended flight periods and excellent maneuvering. Additionally, Snag, inspired by bats, excels in low-light conditions and obstacle detection. As the industry progresses, the future holds the promise of even more innovative and capable biomimetic drones, bringing us closer to nature's flight marvels. Intel Shooting Star. The Intel Shooting Star drone, currently in development, is a swarm of small autonomous drones designed for various tasks, like surveillance and mapping. Each drone, about the size of a volleyball, comes equipped with LED lights, enabling them to fly in formation, creating dazzling shapes and patterns. Advanced sensors ensure safe flights in close proximity to each other, avoiding obstacles. The potential applications for these innovative drones are vast, including surveillance for monitoring large areas or tracking moving objects, mapping detailed areas, and creating captivating visual displays for entertainment purposes. With features like GPS and inertial navigation systems for precise flight, communication abilities for swarm coordination, and the versatility of LED lighting, the Intel Shooting Star drone holds the promise of revolutionizing drone technology. As it progresses in development, this future drone may soon reshape how we perceive and utilize drones in various industries. The future of drones looks incredibly promising. These are the most advanced drones of the future. Which ones are you most excited to see in action? Let us know in the comments. And to see the future of robotics, check out our latest video.